ये इश्क नहीं आसान इतना ही समझ लीजिए, ये इश्क नहीं आसान इतना ही समझ लीजिए, एक आग का दरिया है और डूब के जाना है। जिगर मुरादाबादी। Love is not easy and you must understand that it is a river of fire which you cross by drowning in it. Love exists in many forms. There is worldly love for the beloved and then there is love for divine. But whichever it is, love is an emotion that requires investment of time, patience, and commitment. Love is demanding, and hence to understand it completely, to go beyond it, one has to drown in it without fear, without caring for the dangers it might present. How beautifully Jigar Sahab has put in words the idea behind love, a feeling that is so difficult to describe. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.